That's a good one. Hi friends, is the next pullback on BSV the last pullback that we see on BSV before we take out the prices of $450 and go on into absolute price discovery mode and try on even higher? Could that be the last opportunity, or have we already had it? This one could be an interesting one, ladies and gents, as we look at the BSV, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision USDT chart here, 4-hour time frame, and I'm looking at this and I've got a couple of things I want to point out to you right here, right now. I really appreciate if you hit the like button. If you need me to kind of win you over, then and you're reserving judgment, that's okay, but just be aware that I would really appreciate it. This is filmed during a live stream. Come and join me for one of them one day so you can get your comments in. I'm looking at this right now and saying the trend's towards the downside right now in terms of the 4-hour time frame. Overall upward trend, yes. At the minute, key structural areas have been challenged and could go on to be broken. And it's been downward. Okay. So this is counter trend. Yeah. But in terms of the broad term structure, on the broader side of things, we've got an upward trend that's visible here that experiences pullbacks along these sorts of lines. In the 2-day time frame, you can see we've come down and challenged the cloud, and we could be about to establish ourselves firmly above it. Now, that would be distinct from the last, well, almost its entire existence, this coin, where it spent the vast majority of the time below the cloud, apart from brief instances where it's flown towards the top side. Now, in this instance here, it flew towards the top side by a factor of 268%. Could we see something similar happen? And I want to show that fact that within the structure of where we've already had prices go, if we were to not take out our previous highs and just simply go in for a lower high, even if we came in for just a 50% retrace, just 50%, it takes us up to $350, which in terms of percentage moves from where the prices are right now is 35%. So there's huge opportunity on this thing to not even really see the prices go anywhere that remarkable. Now, though, we can think to ourselves, well, on the 24-hour time frame, we have managed to just come back down, retest the lower end and the 200 simple, and we've retaken out the 50 simple, having prevented, having retested both of these, following on from the golden cross. And maybe we're just about to start really trending heavily on this one. Maybe that's about to start. Okay. Then you drop down to the 4-hour time frame and you look at it and you say, hey, if we see another pullback, maybe that's going to be like the last one of them. Or maybe we've already had the last pullback and we're looking at this one and saying, do you know what? Maybe we go up, we test off of one of these regions, then have a pullback after, and then go on towards the highs, and that's your last pullback, or whatever. But in the meantime, all of these moves are huge percentage moves, 30% to go up to test the top end of the cloud. It's huge. So BSV is a very interesting one at the minute. This is positive. Now, there's no real strong hidden bullish bullish divergence to just scream at and say we really need to see the prices go around because of this. But there are a couple of really intriguing things. The DMI just having this cross here, very, very interesting on the 4-hour time frame. The 24-hour time frame, again, hand in hand, with the strength of trend right there to capitalize on. Am I in any way concerned about this? Well, yeah, if we see a pullback taking out our lows, then I'm not into this and I'll happily ditch it. But we have opportunity here. Just wanted to point that out to people that there is opportunity here. There's opportunity here. Let me know what you're thinking, what you're looking at. If you're seeing this and thinking that this is bullish with the waning of the negativity, with the waxing of the positivity coming right in here. If we do actually take out the sort of 280 number, we could completely fly. My initial proposition from the show was that maybe the next pullback we see is the last pullback, and I want to see the prices come up here and maybe get a pullback down the way and retest the 200 if we actually cross over it. If we get retest the 200, then that could possibly be a sort of an account changing wealth move. However, we don't know yet. Not financial advice. None of that's financial advice. And let me be clear as well. I did point out that this is, of course, a 4-hour downtrend, and on the 24-hour time frame, if we were to go down and trend down the way, just start trending down, then we would very much be taking out the 200 simple, and it could be problematic for us, to say the least. But we're not there anywhere near that just yet. We're right at the 236. Right at the 236. So could we see a pullback from here? We could. Could we break this and then come back and retest it? We could. It's going to be interesting. Like. How far into this live stream are we? 1 hour 47 minutes. I think it's time I said cheerio. I want to know what to take a look at though real quick. Is there any other ones? Thanks very much, Trade Spotting. Do you think I should take a look at anything else, or should I just head off now? Luna. Right on it. Well done, Luna.